Hi, just before we continue with the review, remember if you watch my Hyundai Kona review, I had this very complicated setup where this Fujifilm, which is my main camera until now, and this Nikon camera, which is supposed to be my microphone during that review, it turned out to be not the most ideal setup. That's why I ended up buying another mic. Thank God it's still working until now. And this is my main video camera, which I use to this day, not the Nikon anymore. However, with this review, I found out this Nikon seems to perform way better in low light conditions, unlike in the Fujifilm as you've seen in my Nissan Leaf, which is sorry for that part in that Nissan Leaf review. Anyway, I will put on screen which camera I was using for each part of the review. Also, you might have noticed the length of this review. It's kinda short-ish. I reviewed the wrong car, but there was a story to it. I was supposed to be actually reviewing a Hyundai Verna, not the white one in the video. I don't know what color it was. Anyway, at that day I was supposed to review it. It already got sold, that very test unit. But I wanna say thank you for Hyundai shows. Still that they provided me this Hyundai Accent to review. That's why I didn't say much in the during the drive, because I had no script whatsoever. But thank God I have experience in like taxis and grabs. So this review was one honest take. Okay, that's all I could say. So right now, back to the review. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Again, in the previous review, I drove the Hyundai Kona. Sorry, I didn't say much because it really felt similar to the previous car. I keep saying previous car because I'm not allowed to mention other brands whatsoever, so it's fine. But at the same time, they wanted me to review another car, which is actually quite shocking because I didn't expect to review that car. So this is literally my script. That is the car, a Hyundai Accent in black. So this is the absolute base unit of the Hyundai Accent. This is, oh my god, I cannot wait to drive it because it is a manual transmission unit. This is the one with airbags. It does not have the AVN unit, it's just the simple radio control switch, but that is fine. Same in the Kona, you have you only have one USB port here and an aux cord. I'm not sure if you can say that, sorry. And 12 USB sockets. My phone I think would just fit just fine. And I'm excited to use 6th gear. I never used 6th gear in my entire life. And there's no central armrest here. You have two cup holders here. Actually 3 cup holders. Sorry, there's something here. This is for your ashtray. It's removable. A manual handbrake. You have a cubby space here. You have bottle holders on either door. Sorry if you can see much. I'll just play with the editing with the brightness. This one has drum brakes in the back. I want to know how that clutch feels like. Simple steering wheel. You only have your reset and trip computer button. Same digital instrument cluster with your trip computer in the middle. I'm not sure if you can see that. It says 40.5 liters per 100 kilometers. Ooh. So let's check this. Nope, you have a mirror and 2 lights in the center. Let's turn them on. There we go. Knee room is fine. Leg room as well. The transmission tunnel, there is a bit, but not too much. So here in the back, I have enough headroom as well, despite a bit slopey roof. You don't have central armrest here whatsoever. You only have bottle holders on either door. Power windows, and that's it. So the trunk space is that much. I'm not sure if you can see that. There you go, it's massive. I'm using my phone as a light. When did they do that earlier? You have one cubby space here, and you have a spare. Whoops! You have a spare wheel under here, so that's about it. I don't know how many liters this is, but I'll put it on screen. So let's check out the engine. So this is the engine of the Hyundai Accent. It's a 1.4 liter Kappa 4-cylinder engine with 100 horsepower and this much torque. It's the same engine as the one in the Verna. So yeah, that's all I can say. So these are pretty fuel efficient engines, I've heard from numerous owners, and pretty reliable as well, which is a good thing. So right now, let's go for a drive. Right. So good, so refreshing to drive a manual again. Manual! Okay, immediately first impression with the clutch. Clutch is quite small, but the throw of the gearbox, I just shifted to first, is not bad already. I like it. Ooh. This probably has the second best transmission, like short throw, good clutch, so on and so forth. Yeah, good. I like it. I see why it's been chosen as a daily driver by many. My seat forward because the clutch is so small and so far away, so I have to move my seat forward. Just take note for short drivers like me. Oh my god. Stay put. Okay, the short throw, I like this gearbox. Power's enough. You control the gearing and everything. Heel and toe. Oh wait, I haven't tried heel and toe yet. When we go up that route. Yeah, steering's light. There's feel to it, despite being this electronic again, like the others. Electronic power assisted steering wheel. There's enough feel to it. I think a tiny bit more feel than the Kona I drove earlier. Brakes are have a high bite, but it's still strong and good. It's just quite too high to my liking. Yeah, sorry, I'm just trialing this camera setup. I want to see if we'll continue this kind of setup in my future reviews. Oh, engine and NVH is quiet here. That's really good. I like this short throw gearbox out. It's really good. Second best, but very close to the best. Yay, use 6 gear. Okay, my shoes I'm wearing loafers, so it's kind of hard to heel into. So I suggest if you're going to drive this enthusiastically, wear bigger shoes. Yeah, I can't reach it. I'm wearing loafers only, but it's possible. Just wear bigger shoes. So yeah, short throw transmission, very good brakes, light clutch. Yeah, it's kind of perfect daily. Just like every other normal sedan should be, so that's a good. I'd rather take a manual than automatic transmissions. I know they help for traffic, but I'm more used of the manual kind of cars. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you back in the showroom.
3 months later.
Back to the present day. Again, I didn't say much with this review. That was an honest take. It's a simple but very good car. That's why you see them a lot now in our roads. And I also discovered when I was salvaging this review, I noticed the Nikon turned to be, of course, sometimes the better microphone than the Fujifilm. It turned out it had better low light performance than the Fujifilm. This part became like a semi-camera review as well. So at least I know how it performs now. That will be my backup camera from now on as well. Microphones are actually good. Just make sure there's not much noise in the background, as I explained in the Hyundai Kona review as well. So that's about it. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you with more future car reviews. Baboosh!